Hi, kids. Do you see that big yellow thing over there? It's huge, and it makes a rumble sound. Can you guess what it is? Stick around and we'll find out together. Today, we're talking about construction vehicles. These are the big machines that help build things like houses, roads, and even parks. Are you ready? Let's go. First up, look. It's a bulldozer. A bulldozer is big and strong. It has a wide blade at the front that kind of looks like a shovel, but much bigger. Can you say bulldozer? Great job! Bulldozers push rocks, dirt, and even trees out of the way. They help make the ground flat so other vehicles can work. Can you make a sound like a bulldozer? Rumble, rumble. Good job. Now, let's meet the digger. Some people call it an excavator, but we'll call it a digger. It's easier to say, right? The digger has a long arm with a scoop at the end. It can dig really deep holes in the ground. Diggers are used to make big holes for things like swimming pools or tall buildings. If you could, what would you dig a big hole for? That sounds fun. Let's move on. Oh, look over there. It's a dump truck. Wow, it's so big. A dump truck is like a giant bucket on wheels. It carries dirt, sand, and rocks from one place to another. When it gets to the right spot, the back part of the truck tilts up and everything falls out. Can you tilt your head back like you're a dump truck? Whoosh! That's the sound of a dump truck emptying. Great job! What's that tall machine way high up? It's reaching high into the sky. That's a crane. Cranes are super tall and strong. They lift heavy things like steel beams and even big windows. Can you imagine lifting something that heavy? Cranes can. They make tall buildings like skyscrapers. Can you stretch your arms up high like a crane? Look at you. You're so tall now. Here's another cool vehicle. A cement mixer. Have you seen one before? It has a big round drum on the back that spins and spins. Do you know what it does? It mixes cement, which is kind of like glue for bricks. When the cement is dry, it becomes super hard and holds everything together. Can you spin like a cement mixer? Whoa, you're making me dizzy! Great work! Let's check out one last vehicle. It's the roller. This one has giant, smooth wheels that flatten everything in its path. Rollers are used to make roads flat and smooth, so cars can drive on them. Can you roll your arms like a roller? Round and round. Nice rolling, friends. Rollers make the roads we drive on every day. Now that we've seen all these vehicles, let's try and remember. Do you remember which one pushes dirt and makes the ground flat? That's right, it's the bulldozer. And which one digs big holes? Yep, the digger. What about the one that carries dirt and rocks and then dumps them out? The dump truck. And the super tall one that lifts heavy things high into the sky? That's the crane. What about the one that spins and mixes cement? You got it, the cement mixer. And finally, the one that makes roads flat? The roller. Wow, you're so smart! Now, are you ready to find out what that big yellow thing from the beginning was? Drum roll, please. It's the bulldozer. Did you guess it right? It can push trees, rocks, dirt, and so much more. Bulldozers are amazing, aren't they? Thanks for learning about construction vehicles with me today. Which one was your favorite? Was it the bulldozer, the digger, the dump truck, the crane, the cement mixer, or the roller? They all do such important jobs. Remember, next time you see a big machine like this, maybe you'll know what it's doing. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time. This outstanding video was crafted by VidWiz. Want your own exciting videos for fun or profit? Just click the link in the description to get started today. Bye for now.